Life knows how to heal. Every leaf, every cell, every ecosystem carries this ancient wisdom. The science of restoration begins with a simple truth. We don't heal nature, we help nature heal itself. "20 years ago, this was a scar on the earth. Now, life paints in 1,000 shades of green. This isn't just recovery, it's remembering. The soil remembers what it once nourished. The air remembers what once breathed here. The rain remembers what it once fed. Science meets wisdom here. Modern laboratories analyze soil microbes while ancient knowledge guides which species return first. Both types of knowledge serve the same goal, helping the land remember itself. Beneath our feet, the real work begins. Fungal threads weave through darkness, connecting young trees in networks of mutual aid. This is nature's internet, older than our own, and infinitely more subtle. Every connection restored strengthens the whole. The tide brings new life to shores that forgot how to nurture it. Watch how young mangroves learn to dance with the waves again. Their roots become nurseries for 1,000 species. Each breath of the ocean brings new possibilities. In modern vaults, seeds sleep in perfect stillness, while in village gardens, ancient varietals pass from hand to hand. Both systems preserve tomorrow's forests. Both keep alive the possibility of renewal. The seeds don't care how we save them, only that we do. In darkness, ancient songs return to forests that had fallen silent. Listen closely, each howl carries both wildness and hope. The wolves aren't just returning, they're bringing the entire ecosystem back into balance. Their paws reshape rivers. Their hunts restore grasslands. Their presence awakens memories the land had almost forgotten. Dawn breaking over coral restoration project, morning light filters through clear waters where once there was only bleached death. Each tiny coral polyp we place is a new beginning. They grow slowly, these underwater cities, but they grow with determination. The reef remembers what it means to thrive. Urban rewilding project, nature reclaiming abandoned spaces, even our cities learn to breathe again. Between concrete canyons, wildflowers break through. Falcons nest in skyscrapers. Rivers daylight after centuries underground. Nature doesn't hold grudges, give it a chance, and it rebuilds. High above the world, where the air thins to crystal, tomorrow's forests take root. Each sapling planted is an act of faith. The mountain doesn't care who does the planting, only that its slopes will shelter life again. Water remembers its ancient paths. As barriers fall, rivers rewrite their stories in silver and song. Watch how salmon return to streams that haven't felt their scales in generations. The water calls them home, and they answer. Prairie restoration, native grasses and wildflowers returning, the grasslands hold the deepest memories. Their roots reach down through centuries, weaving carbon back into soil that agriculture had stripped bare. Every restored prairie is a living time machine, recreating ecosystems that once stretched horizon to horizon. Some species need more help remembering how to be themselves. Watch these young condors learn to read the wind. Every awkward flap builds strength. Every successful flight rewrites the story of what's possible. Their wings carry the future of their kind. Marine sanctuary, whales returning to protected waters, in the deep ocean, ancient songs grow stronger. Whale populations rebound in protected waters, their migrations mapped by satellite, their presence healing entire ecosystems. Each surfacing is a reminder, it's never too late for recovery. Global view, Earth's healing systems at work, From space, you can see the healing happening. Green tendrils reclaim deserts. Reefs rebuild their calcium cities. Forests march back up mountainsides. Every restoration project is a pixel in Earth's regenerating picture. The leaf has healed now, its cells restored, its green purpose renewed. But look closer, it's stronger at the healing point. Nature doesn't just recover, it improves. Every scar becomes a lesson. Every restoration carries new wisdom. This is the truth about healing Earth. It's not about returning to some imagined past. It's about building a new future, where human knowledge serves nature's wisdom. Where science amplifies life's ancient power to restore itself. As light fades, a restored wetland comes alive. Birds wheel in ancient patterns. Fish leap in renewed waters. Insects weave light into darkness. This is success measured not in data points, but in heartbeats. Not in papers published, but in species returned. This is how we heal our world. Not by force, but by understanding. Not by control, but by cooperation. Every restored ecosystem is a letter to the future. Every returning species is a promise kept. The science of restoration isn't just about repair, it's about relationship. Between what we know and what we're still learning. Between what we can measure and what we must trust. Between human purpose and nature's power.